Oh, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use project cost estimate. And this is on QuickBooks Online Advanced Plan. This is Advanced Plan, not Plus Plan or lower plans. This is the Advanced Plan. Okay, if you have a Plus Plan, when you try to add project, you will see just estimate. But on Advanced Plan, when you try to add project, you will see project estimate. So this is the cost estimate. So this is what we're talking about, cost and income too, but this is the cost one. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to QuickBooks Online Advanced Demo. And before I do that, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channels and leave a comment if you have a question. So now I'm gonna go to QuickBooks Online Advanced Demo. Okay, so I'm on QuickBooks Online and just select the projects. Select the projects. Okay, when you select the project tab, just select which one you're talking about. In this case, I have already uh, created a new project, a Mystic Dan project, and then you have the this estimate versus actuals tab. This is the estimate. This is the one we're talking about. In this case, the estimate is for the income is 110 and the cost wise is 77,000. Okay, so that's the bottom line. So I'm going to go over what you need to do on a setup and create product and services items the way I did it, And the final product is when you click the project report, you will see this report. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to go to uh, the setup line. Okay, just click the gear icon and then make sure the setup is accurate and the accountant settings. Okay, and then go to expenses and make sure this most likely it's on, but make sure this is on. I have this one on, and if you use default markup for your services, then you can update that one too. Let's just say I want to update, make it 30% and save it. So that's all you need to do on this one. Okay, and the next thing you want to do is you need to create products and services. Okay, so product services, you just basically just go from sales and then product and services. So that now the question is, what are you trying to do? Is it you're going to sell inventory or the service item, like you can hire subcontractor contractors to do this job, or you're going to build your own system and sell it, or just buy it from someone else and sell it, resell it. So in this case, I have the inventory, 70, the one I'll show you how I did it. So the name is a development one. Let's say this one. Then project, I have a category in here. You know, project is that one. So it's basically the way this one works is I'm going to go over the list here. Product categories, the way I did it. It doesn't have to be exactly the same. So it's basically these. I created the under Mystic Dan. I created the sub label. You don't have to do that, but I just did that way. Okay, so I'll show you how I did this one. Edit, and the name of the uh, product is Mystic Development. So when you try to invoice your customer, this is what you'll see. And then under category, I have the project in here. And this is the inventory type. And the same thing with description, your invoice. And I made this non-taxable. It could be taxable on your type. And then the product, and then the income mapping. You have sales price too. You can change this when you invoice it. I just put $100,000, and the cost is $70,000. Cost goes to the cost of goods sold, and the revenue goes to the sales of product income account from your chart of account. Okay, and then the other one is the service type. See the service type here. The other one is inventory type, and basically this one you're just going to use the subcontractor or contractors for this job. Okay, so now, so that clears how to set up the product and services. Now we'll go back to the projects in here, and now this is the scene here. So when you create a project, let me go back to in here again. Click this one. So I already did it. So in this case, all you have to do is just uh, add to project and then create the project estimate and then fill out all these, what you're going to sell, or provide services for, And in this case, the one I did, it's in here. So it's the $70,000. And the one I in here is the this project estimate. This one. See, this is the project cost estimate one. Okay, so what is telling you is basically uh, when you create this, it's not approved yet, so you have to approve it. To make sure it's approved, then it will show up. So the one is the contract, the service type, 70,000. The other one is $70,000 for your inventory build up. That's what it is, and you're going to sell it for $100,000. Okay. So now all it's you have the cost of goods sold is $70,000, and the other subcontract part is only $7,000, and so this is your actual versus actual is it's right on. Actual is 110, and estimate was also 110. 70,000. These two are right on. So there's no cost overrun on this one. Normally you will have a cost overrun or underrun. So that's about it on this video. This is how you do it. So you can run the report and you can run the transaction. You will see all the transaction in here. Make sure this is converted. Otherwise you won't see it. When you create active project, uh, it's not. It's pending. So you have to change it to accepted. Okay, so that's the focus of this video. Hopefully this is helpful to you. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.